So in this video, let's talk about another security plugin that is very, very simple, but very, very powerful. It's called Change WP Admin Login. So look up here at the top. This is the site, and every WordPress site, in order to log in administratively, you have to put in WP-admin. So the problem with this is that 40% of all websites that exist on the internet worldwide use WordPress. 40% of all websites pretty much have WP admin set and configured as the default. Most site owners, most designers, most developers, they never change this. It's imperative to change it because if somebody's going to hack into your site, they need to be able to access the page or need to be able to access the functionality to be able to log in with your site. So in order to change this to something else different, which is essentially security by obscurity, meaning if you don't know where it is and you can't find it, then you can't possibly try to attack it. So what you need to do is activate this Change WP Admin Login. And it's a very simple change. Okay, now you activated it and it's there and you're like, okay, great. What do I do? Where is this thing at? And so if you come down here under settings and you come to permalinks, when you scroll down, you will see the Change WP Admin Login. If you want, you can change it to foo. Okay, so I'm going to change it to foo. I'm going to save the changes and I'm going to I'll go ahead and log out. So I now have my login rather. So I'm going to go back to this WP admin. Watch what happens. I'm redirected to the home page, which means essentially I'm thrown into a black hole. Anybody trying to do a brute force attack on the login page to gain access to the administrative back end will now just simply be sent to the front end of your website as a visitor because that is no longer a valid link. The only way to access your site is through the new, instead of WP-admin, is the new foo link that you configured. And now you can get into the login page. And it's something you know about. So change it to something unique. You can use an encrypted password. If you are a user of LastPass, you can come up here to generate a secure password. And you can take that and then you can copy it out. And then at that point, you can come back into settings, come down to permalink, and you can change it from foo to that more encrypted type of thing. Now, with that being said, you better bookmark the site because if you lose this hieroglyphic, path in your URL, while it's super, super secure, it may be so secure that you may lock your own self out of it. So, again, a very simple plugin, extremely powerful, and because of that, I highly, highly recommend that you keep this one and configure it. This is now the second video on security. In the next video, we're going to talk about safe SVG as well as Akiba backups. We'll see you in the next video.